Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Mitsubishi 2-button remote key fob. The battery is inside this black case here. We need to crack the case open to get at the housing to remove the battery. First thing we need to do is remove this little tiny screw here, like so. And then you just get your nails in the cover and just prise it open like so. And the battery is inside there. Now we just get a flat-headed screwdriver and just pop it in, crack the case open, and there's your battery. You just need to get a little screwdriver underneath it, prise it out like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number like this one of CR1616. We get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into its original location. This one has the writing facing downwards. Make sure it's in its correct location. It's time just to pop it back together. Get your 2 RC case, like so. Sometimes the buttons can fall out of the front, like so. Just pop them back in. There you go. Pop the case back on. And just put the little screw back in. There you go. It's all done.